So I have a bunch of really awesome Telesin products for your GoPro. And yes, I said Telesin, the same company that's giving a Hero 11 away on this channel for the Vlogging in Public Challenge. So if you want to win that or one of the other awesome prizes they're giving out, well, check out that challenge right now and get onto it. And if you're watching this video after the challenge is over, well, stick around because we do fun stuff like that all the time on this channel. But let me just show you all of this Telesin gear.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. A lot of GoPro stuff as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, you know, tune in, stick around, and don't be a stranger to the channel. Click that button right there. If you click that one, yeah. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus some coupon codes because you can save some money on these products and a surprise link. Yeah, I literally just left that in. I don't care. So we have 8 cool products here, and I'm going to show them to you in no particular order. They're actually they're all in their own right pretty cool. But we are going to start with the big guy right here. This is a really cool whopping 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable selfie pole, which we'll come back to. It's also got a quarter thread on the bottom and a screw thread on the top, which you can actually easily just twist on. For the Hero 9, 10, 11, and probably 12, they have this battery door that it comes with so that you can put that on there, and it gives you access to your USB-C, which you could plug in. The grip is really comfortable to hold. It's got like a silicone feeling, and a regular GoPro battery is like 1,720 milliamp hours. So this is 10,000. Basically, to put that into perspective, you can be recording at 5K 30 for 5 hours continually. I mean, if it didn't get hot, but that's just how much battery power it gives you. And yes, as I said earlier, this is also a selfie pole, and a rather long one. And the cord goes all the way up to the top so you can still be charging. And this selfie pole is strong. It doesn't feel flimsy at all, but it's just really powerful, quality made, and it comes in around 50 US dollars. I mean, if you did buy 5 different GoPro batteries, you'll be paying more than that. And you wouldn't even have a selfie pole. Just saying. All right, so next on this list is this backpack clamp. It's actually really nice. You can easily clamp it on your backpack strap so you can get that cool POV shot while you're hiking or on your motorbike or scooting or whatever you're doing with the backpack. And it's tight, like it's tight on there. It's not coming off. It's got really good teeth inside to make it really strong on your backpack. The clamp itself is just made really well. It's very durable. It's easy to adjust. It has this little lockable ball head, so you can angle your shot a lot better and effortlessly. So for what it is, this thing's really awesome. You can also clamp it on your clothes or a seatbelt. There's just so many uses for it. And it comes in just over $20. All right, so next on this list is another selfie stick, but you might be looking at it going, all right, this just looks like a regular selfie stick, but it's not. Because as soon as you hold this in your hands, you'll immediately notice 3 things. 1, it's super light. 2, it's made of carbon fiber, so it's very strong. And 3, the grip in the bottom is just so soft. It feels so good on your hands to hold it. But then this thing will pop out 4 feet long. So you kind of just like pull it out, but then you twist it to lock it in place. There's also a quarter thread on the bottom, so you can mount it to other tripods, or you can also put a lanyard on the bottom so you have a nice wrist strap. But man, this thing is light. It just feels really good and really solid. It doesn't bend. So it's just perfect for your GoPro or action cameras. And it also comes in around $30. And I might just want to add, do check the links in the description because prices change all the time and it could be a lot cheaper. All right, so next on the list is a really cool design. It has a magnetic base like that, and you can just, your shirt's magnetic apparently. No, actually there's a little medallion that I'm wearing underneath that. And I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking right now, at least some of you. And this is a little bit different of a design. And I really like this a lot. It's just kind of like, you just snap it on anywhere. Maybe I shouldn't use that word snap. But with the lanyard, it's nice. You put it under your shirt like that. That way it keeps it a little bit more stable. It doesn't bounce around as much. But also it comes in a set with a sticky mount and an action mount for much more options. And it comes in around $21, which is a really good price. Now here is a really cool battery charger that also doubles as a power bank. It's sleek and slim, just not taking up too much space in your bag. And you can store and charge your batteries in here, and it can fully charge up your batteries 4 times over. And it also comes with these adapters, so it will work with GoPro batteries all the way back to the Hero 5. It has 20-watt fast charging, so even if your phone is running low on battery, you can actually plug this thing in right here. It doubles as a power bank, and if you have fast charging on your phone, it will charge that up at least 4 times faster than normal. And what I like most about this one compared to some of the other ones is just, yeah, how small, slim. It just feels sleek. Like, look at the design. It looks really nice. And it's just not boxy, so it travels really well. And this power bank charger comes in around $50. All right, next on this list, we have a selfie pull and a tripod and a remote control all in one. Now, this is an update design to their other one that they had out before, but this is actually a lot better. It's stronger. The tripod legs are more sturdy. The way that remote sits in is really nice. And the selfie pull can give you like 4 feet. Like, that's a big selfie pull. And it's great for your GoPro, but also your smartphone. And here's why. It comes with this really good mount on it where you can easily bend it back into place to get the angle that you want, but you can easily shoot from landscape to portrait that quickly. Like, look at that. The tripod is nice and stable, and you can have this thing extended all the way out and it will stand up, no problem. I mean, you know, keep your eye on it just in case it's really windy outside. Now, the remote is really good too because it can connect to your phone or your GoPro from at least 40 meters away or 130 feet away. You have a record button where you can start and stop your recording and take photos. There's a mode button on here where you can switch between video and photo or other different presets you have on your GoPro. And then you also have a power button on there where you can actually power on and off your GoPro. I also like how it folds down really small, so it's perfect for traveling because it takes up like barely any space. It's a really cool setup, and this whole thing comes in around $36 US. All right, so the next one on this list is this aluminum cage, and you're probably like, that's not new. This is just an aluminum cage from Telesin that we've seen many times. But this one is new because now they've included an optional vertical mount. Your GoPro on these cages just slides in without damaging it at all. And now you can put this on a mount so you can be shooting in vertical mode, which is all the rage. You know, if you're posting TikTok videos and YouTube shorts and Reels, I literally just lost power. It's back on. Let me just keep going with this. All right, so what else is different about this besides vertical mode is that now you can easily put a max lens mod on this, or the anamorphic lens, or any other lens mod like filters and stuff like that. It fits on here. Something like this is really nice, especially if you're doing something kind of rugged. You don't want your GoPro to get scuffed around. It also has 2 cold shoe mounts on here, so you can put some extra lights and stuff like that. This whole system comes in around $25, which is not a bad price. Okay, so last but not least on this list is a GoPro battery charger case. Now, this one doesn't have a built-in battery to charge on the go, but because of the 30-watt fast charging, this thing will charge up fast batteries, and it actually does come with 2 fast charging batteries, and they're basically the same, if not better. You can charge one of these batteries up from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. And this case has 2 slots for your micro SD cards right here. Power went out again. All right, so the power went out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off by saying it's a really good charging station. It's very small, fits in your hand, so it doesn't take up a lot of room in your bag. The top part won't pop open by itself. Oh, there we go, power's back on. And it comes in around $55. Now that might seem like a lot, but you're also getting 2 fast charging batteries. So those are the 8 cool GoPro accessories that I want to share with you today from Telesin. Now, obviously you don't need every accessory here, but you might be in the market for one of these things, and my goal is to just show you what's out there. So if you're in the market for it, you know where to get it. But that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Do check out that vlogging challenge. Make sure you submit it if you get in early enough, and you can win a Hero 11 from Telesin and some other really great prizes. So other than that, stay tuned to the channel. A lot more coming up, and I'll see you next time.